Hi there beautiful people, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, my name is Femke and for today's video I will be sharing a new nail polish of the week swatcheroo video in which I will be painting both of my hands and nails with the beautiful Essence Bonbon Babe nail polish from the Glossy Jelly nail polish collection that I swatched and reviewed a couple of weeks ago. I actually swatched the first three colors and I at first didn't know there was a fourth color because it wasn't available anywhere when I actually bought the other ones. But then I got reminded a ton that there is actually a fourth one, which is this beautiful one, and people were raving about it. So that is why I decided to buy it, or at least try to buy it, because it took me a while before I actually was able to get one. Oh, and if you hear any baby noises, I'm here with Aeon, my at the moment 6-month-old son already, and he's on my lap because he doesn't want to be anywhere else at the moment, and I do have to record this voiceover. So if you do hear any little baby noises, that is my little boy. So yeah, as I mentioned, there are 4 colors from this collection and I've already swatched 3. Definitely check out that video if you haven't already. But this fourth one, people were really excited about it and were really recommending it to me. And I was like, I have to get this polish now. As a nail polish collector, hoarder, enthusiast, I needed to get my hands on it. But yeah, I will be swatching it in a little bit. But first, of course, I'm going in with a base coat. This is the Catrice Pro-Plex Bond Repair base coat. I think I got it in a PR box by Catrice last season. I think it's in the spring summer season update collection, however you want to call it. I really like it. I do have to say I don't really know how well it works on bare natural nails, since I do have a little layer of a gel polish base and top coat as a gel polish overlay on my natural nails to give them a little extra strength, a little extra oomph, since I do have a very manual job and I do like to keep my nails long AF, as you can see right here. My pointer finger on my right hand, by the way, is still a bit short. I had to cut it down like a couple of weeks ago because it got a tear right in the nail bed and I had to shorten it. It was like no option with my little baby boy Aeon. I can't have any broken nails because first of all, it will hurt me like crazy if it breaks any further, like in the nail bed. And second of all, I don't want to hurt my baby or maybe snag something, you know. I don't know. I'm just really careful when it comes to stuff like that. But yeah, that's just a little side note. I am definitely thinking of shortening my nails pretty soon, since they are getting really long, especially on my left hand. I don't know, they're just getting a little bit inconvenient at the moment, like the length. They are still really strong though. I don't feel like they're bending or snapping or like getting like messed up or anything like that because of the length, but just to prevent any like breakage or like nail tears or anything like that, because accidents do happen and they tend to happen with me like on very random occasions, like accidentally slamming my hand on the kitchen table or something like that. It really, it's just bullshit. You know. I have a really manual, like heavy duty job, which is hard on people's hands and nails, and I never break my nails at work, which is crazy to think of it. But yeah, that's just something I really wanted to put out there. If you do want to grow out your nails, or maybe you do have longer natural nails like I do, definitely try to use a soak off base coat like gel-like. And just cure it and go in with a top coat. That works perfectly for me. If you're not into builder gels, because builder gels, there's like nothing wrong with them, but they do tend to make your nails look really thick and gunky, and that's just not a look that I like. I prefer my natural nails to still look natural, even though they have a little bit of gel polish on top. But yeah, that's just a little side rant. I'm already applying the first coat of Bonbon Babe, which you can see is a glossy jelly sheer nail polish. But I do feel like this one is super buildable. You can definitely add a second coat, which I will be doing later on in the video as well, to make it more opaque. Oh, also a little side note, on my right hand I still had a little bit of pink gel polish left on the nail on the ring finger and the pinky nail. Just ignore it, I'm actually growing it out. I usually had like gel polish colors on my right hand, since I do make videos on regular nail polishes like this one, but I've also done a lot of gel polish like design, color swatches, videos, stuff like that. So I'm actually growing out that pink, so let's just ignore it. Let's just think it is part of like the nail as it is, because it pretty much is at this moment. But yeah, I'm still growing it out. I've already cut all of the color out of the other ones or filed it off, but I don't want to file my nails down too much, because I don't want to make them like super thin or anything like that, and actually get rid of any strength. That is like the least thing I'd like to do. But yeah, here you can see I'm sometimes a little bit out of focus or like off screen when it comes to painting my dominant hand, because I'm just not used to it anymore. I used to do a lot of gel polish design videos as well, painting them with my non-dominant hand on my dominant hand, like I'm doing here right now. So I'm kind of out of the schwung when it comes to recording my dominant hand. So sorry about that, it just happens, you know. Especially now I'm just doing one video a week, if I even make it, since life is so busy with the little one. So yeah, I'm just a little bit out of my schwung, but I promise it will like work out in the end. I might even do some nail polish designs soon, I really hope so at least. But you know, with this summer and the holiday, like the summer holidays coming up, I'm actually working through the entire summer because all of my co-workers are leaving for a holiday or vacation in June, July, August. So yeah, I'm pretty much working during the hot season, but that's okay. I'll have enough spare days to just hang out with my little boy in the sun, or at least in the shade, because I'm not putting my baby in the sun. But I do hope to have some time to keep on recording at least one video a week, or maybe if I have some more time I will record a couple in a row and just edit one once a week. That might work best. Oh, and my baby decided to grab the microphone. Oh man, I've never really done it like this before. Not now he can actually sit up straight and his hands are like grabbing everything. When he was just a couple of weeks old, I actually recorded voiceovers and edited with him on my lap as well, or at least I had him in my arms because he was sleeping most of the time. And now he's just like, ooh, what's this? What's that? I want to grab everything. But yeah. This video is so all over the place, but I feel like it's always a lot of fun to do videos like this, especially since my nail polish of the week, like swatch videos, are like supposed to be super relaxing videos and just sitting down talking with you guys. You can actually take your own nail supplies and paint your nails together with me, maybe grab something to snack or to drink or anything like that. Just have a little me time in your busy lives as well. But Aeon is getting a little bit fussy and definitely grabbing my microphone all the time. So I'm just going to quit the rambling right here. Of course, I will be adding a top coat as well. I will be adding some music for the rest of the video, so it won't be super boring and silent. But the top coat I'll be using is a fast drying one by What's Up Nails. It's really nice. I think it also works really well on top of stamp designs, but I'm not quite sure if it was the same one. But yeah, I'm just going to leave it as it is. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you think about this color, by the way. Do you have it yourself too? I'm really curious to hear about that. Or here you can see actually the top coat I will be using. It's the gloss over one. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much, and as usual, I hope to see you next time.